Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a contributor to your Wix website. This is useful when we want to collaborate with others and give them access to help manage or edit our site. Let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, all we need to do is click Settings in the lower left part of the dashboard. Once we're there, we just need to scroll down until we see Site Member Settings, or Roles and Permissions. Here, we just need to click the Invite Collaborators button. Next, we will enter the email address, for example, user01.com. Then, we select a role, such as Website Manager or Website Designer. We just need to choose the editor's role. This is where we can set the right permissions. Once we're done, we just need to click Send Invite. We can also choose a client option if we're building websites for someone else, like an agency or as a freelancer. When they accept the invitation, they will become one of our collaborators. And that's how we add a contributor to a Wix website. With this simple setup, we can easily work with teammates and manage our site more efficiently.